Let's solve example 15, which says tan of a minus tan of b is equals to x, cot of b minus cot of a is equals to y. Then prove the value of cot a minus b in terms of x and y. So what I do is, I do not remember the formula for cot a minus b. Instead, I'll find the value of tan of a minus b, and then from there we can get the value of cot of a minus b. So cool. So let's write that we have to find the value of tan a minus b in terms of x and y. Okay. Let's see the question. We have been given two equations. Let's see the number of variables a, b and x, a, b, y. So we have four variables. Okay, and okay, so we substitution won't be a very good role here. Why? Because if you say, if you see, then the equation that you need to prove is tan of a minus b in terms of x and y. The equation itself has all the four variables a, b, x and y. So even if you go on eliminating one of them, that won't solve your problem. So let's not head in that direction. Instead, let's expand equation number 2. So from equation 1 we can write the value of tan a x plus tan b, right? If I substitute the value of tan a in second equation, okay, it turns out to be a quadratic equation here if you solve this way. Cool. This way we'll get stuck. Instead, let's see. So ideally, if we see, we need to get the value of tan a minus tan b, which is given in the question, and I need to get the value of tan a tan b. So let's simplify equation number 2. We won't substitute, instead let's simplify. So it becomes tan a minus tan b upon tan a tan b is equals to y. Tan a minus tan b is x upon y is equals to tan a tan b. So we get the value of tan a tan b in x and y, and we have tan a minus tan b value. So if we substitute tan a minus tan b x upon 1 upon x by y, so this becomes xy upon x plus y, which is equals to tan of a minus b. But in the question it was asked us to prove the value of cot a minus b, right? So cot a minus b will be 1 upon tan a minus b, which means x plus y upon xy, and you can write this as 1 upon x plus 1 upon y, and this was what you need to prove in the equation. Cot of a minus b is equals to 1 upon x plus 1 upon y. So we got stuck while finding the value of individual tan a and tan b in terms of x and y, because it was turning out to be a quadratic equation. So there's where we got the intuition. Okay, let's see how can we get the value of not the individual term, not tan a tan b, but the values of tan a minus tan b, the entire term, and tan a into tan b. And hopefully in the first equation was tan a minus tan b, and the second equation like the second value tan a tan b we got by simplifying the second equation.